Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 138 of Building Ecto-1. In this issue, we are building some oxygen tanks, which we're then going to be affixing to the side of the frame that we've already built. And yeah, that's about it really for this one. So we've got two of these to make up. They do have little keyed in places, so you've got to rotate it until you get the ends right, which is probably going to have that lining up with that. There it is, like that. And then on the end of that, we need a JP screw, which is one of those. So two of those, because I've got two of these to make up. And that should go in there. Yeah, further in there than that screwdriver will take me. So let me get another screwdriver that's a bit longer. All that with one hand while I'm holding this together with the other. Oh, no, missed. Something's not right there. And I've dropped the screw. Right, let me see about getting that done. When that's done, we then need to put this together. That just goes on the top of there with an EP screw. Let me get that done. It's JP. KP. EP. There we go. So I'm going to need two of them. The third one will be kept for spare. Let's go back to my preferred screwdriver for this. So there we go. That's that. Then when that's together, that needs to plug in that hole there, and that plugs in that screw hole. And then we need to attach it to the car. So let me get these built up, and then we'll see about bringing in the rest of the roof rack and getting it plugged together. Okay, there we go. That's one of them attached. I've got the other one built up, ready to go. So that there's a pin on the back that goes into that hole, like that. Just get that twisted around just a touch more, I think. That looks a bit better. So that goes on there like that. And then we've got the two brackets, which conveniently cover over the seams. Go over there and locate in between the two little grooves, which I thought were for the ladder, but apparently they're not. I'm sure the ladder is this side. But anyway. So we've got that. So one screw on the top, one screw on the bottom. To hold that in place. Need to bend that a little bit just to get that lined up. To get the other screw in. Like that. Then conveniently do the same on the other side. Exactly the same. One screw in the bottom. Lined up properly. One screw in the top. Just like that. I'll get them both tightened up momentarily. Then we've just got the final hose to attach, which goes into the one socket we've got left over here. Like that. And the corner of our tank there. Like that. So we've got our wires ready to be connected up. Not sure what goes under there. Something's going to have to attach onto that. And we've still got this corner to do. But I thought there was more going on the roof rack, but I don't think there is. I think that's pretty much it. We've got the siren and the light on the front, and the tube there just sort of sitting there, not doing very much. There is provisions for something on this side. I don't know what goes on over there. And the back's got a couple of things as well. So there's definitely more stuff to do to it, but there's only a couple more issues to go by the sounds of it. So yeah, join me whenever I get that for those. And I'll see you for more very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.